is going on, everyone? So welcome to the video. Damn, the lighting's already fucked, so let me go like this. So we are going to do another car vlog type of thing. We're gonna drift, maybe do some car stuff. I'm not really sure, kind of like the stuff that we did a year ago. This time I got someone else that's different. We got a Camaro driver, 6.2 liter V8. I don't know what the fuck the car is called because I'm not a Camaro person. But we're gonna do that video. We're gonna drift. We're gonna do some crazy stuff. Get some cool footage, drone footage. We got the 360 camera. We got this new 4K camera, so the footage will be better on that. Gimbal also, literally everything we need. Multiple GoPros, so the footage should come out better. I'm gonna put this camera on charge real quick to make sure we got everything going. And then we're just waiting for this guy to show up, and then we are leaving. Oh my gosh, the lighting's so bad. So just waiting for him, and then we'll be out.
Turn the LEDs you got.
Oh, you got this. We got this. Oh, it's, yeah, same shit. Yeah.
The remote?
Yeah, I got the remote, so I can change it, and then do like this with it too.
You could drive around while it's doing that.
Yeah. I usually do purple though. That's like my favorite one.
Got it. Alright, I'm nervous about staying on places too long. Yeah. But basically what you do is you're going to turn the steering wheel to the far left, make the car like 0 RPMs, and then wait for it to go around on rotation. Once you feel like you lose the rear, start like turning it. Yeah. I would just do a little bit more, but let's go to the next spot. Holy fuck. Actually?
Yeah, bro, like it's a cop.
He's not outside though.
Gucci, Louis, Prada on the bill.
memories I'm doing. I never did Burnouts.
Hold the nigga like an alien. Team rocket blasting off again. I'm as hot as every single sin.
JLR, bitch, you brought me your addressing. Upper echelon, I gotta teach that boy a lesson. I try to put him on, but dude lack the discretion and discipline. Dumb bitch ain't listen.
When I edit it, how the fuck that shit would work? Like when I put it in Premiere Pro, it's giving me like a 360 where people can move it around.
Oh, you have to download an app.
Because if I put it in a file, will it just look like this? Like if I were to put this in?
No, it'll look fucking disgusting. It'll be like a weird. It's horrible.
So, oh my gosh, I gotta figure that shit out.
So like with this one, the GoPro, I have to edit it on the GoPro, the 360 app, and then I can upload it to something like Final Cut or Premiere. Because if not, if I just straight up download it, it looks fucking horrible. You can't. There's no like fixing it.
See, there's probably a way. I want to. I mean, whatever the fucking quickest and easiest way it is. I'm just lazy. Holy fuck, it's so cold.
That's the key way.
They get bitches.
I want one of those. I want so much shit. I need that Porsche 911, the Lamborghini Gallardo, the Lamborghini Huracan, the G-Wagon, the bike, and I don't know what else. You ready? Yeah. Hella smoke, bro.
Oh my god. Damn. I just gotta get it first try.
That was so easy. So bad.
After I go, I think we'll dip after this.
Yeah, probably.
Probably should.
Is that making a lot of noise?
Yeah, but that white lady passed on by. I'm just waiting on someone. And usually I don't want like a cop to get curious over here. It's fucking cold. Holy fuck. Damn. Boo, that was terrible. Damn, I can't see shit. Holy.
this lock right here. I gotta adjust like the brightness and all that shit on this. Oh my god, you got so much rock stuck, bro. Burnout.
I don't know. You got more in you, or are you done?
It's up to you. You wanna try to hit flat?
We'll try to hit flat. Actually, yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that, yeah.
What is up, y'all? It's the end of the video. I got my baby with me. Look at her. Look at my baby. Alright, get out of here. Don't knock my... Ooh. Let's not put you by that. Anyways. So, it is the end of the video. Let me stand over here trying to find a good spot for the lighting. So, we did our goal. We got some drifting, donuts. I don't know how much footage I got for like vlog stuff, and technically, because we did the donuts. I keep on calling it drifting. All we did was donuts. Did donuts and burnouts. We got some other stuff. I don't know how much other footage. Just because it wasn't the type of style of that video. I guess it wasn't the intention. So this is, I don't know what video this is. It might be the 100th video, but either way. We're at 75 subscribers on this channel. Last time I checked, we were at 99 videos. I don't know if this is the 100th video or not. So if it is, congratulations, 100 videos. Nice, we did it. If not, this might be the 101st or 105th. I think this was a pretty big video compared to a year or 2 years ago. 1 year or 2 years ago when I went with Riley to the car meet, when we went counter steering, stuff like that. I feel like it's a pretty big change. I think, the quality of channels increased. I think I've become more consistent. So it's just an interesting, perspective on where we are at. So that's basically the end of the video. Like, subscribe. If there's anything you want to talk about in the comments, bring it up. My flawless counter steering. My mom's not gonna be happy. My dad's not gonna be happy. But I'll bring the car to the shop in a couple days, so that's good. But like counter steering was gorgeous, right? Goodbye.
Light skin, mommy, see she glowing, yeah, she glistening. Acting like you bad, bro, you need to just listen in. Happened with the beam, can't no gunner fucking finish him. Palm Angels, Jordan 4, new pickups, hit a score. Send my shooters, kick a door. Fuck boy, what you living for? Talking too breezy, reason why your boys ain't living more. Money wait, what I'm on, can't be out here living poor. My passion is everlasting, my chain flashing. I'm moving all this weight, damn right, bitch, I'm maxing, I'm relaxing. In the whip, I pull up fast and I'm blasting. What's happening? Cutting up, they dashing. Start locking, yeah, they crashing and they burning. Yeah, they living as a burden. I'm certain money earning, these bitches lurking. I'm swerving, passenger seat bay is slurping. They got zero motion, boys is out here hurting.